What is up, guys? Alan here at Import Wizards, back again with our next competition. This is definitely one for the Nissan fans. I'm a huge Nissan fan myself, and we spent a bit of time on this one to make it look really cool for you. Ticks a lot of boxes. Have a look, check it out. Guys, straight into it then. I hope you can hear me okay. A bit windy out here today. Nissan 180sx 1991, great for the VRT, factory original KH3 Black, full BN Sports Aero there. That's a Type 3 front bumper, the skirts, and then a Type 4 back bumper. All works really well, as you can see. Really clean, tidy car. They are Grenade GX01 by a great company. They're actually very similar to the R34 GTR wheel, and of course the Kouki tail lights, Kouki centric garnish on the spoiler, all to match. Unreal. Probably my most favourite rear end on a Japanese car ever. Quick zoom in on our sticker. Everybody gets one of these. So guys, just before I get inside there, this car actually has 60,000 kilometers on it, verified from new. So it's pretty crazy to think that this thing's actually 30-year-old and only has that amount of kilometers on it. So what's that, like 40,000 mile from new, 30-year-old car. So just a nice clean setup in here, guys. You can see there's the clocks. So I just decided to work that out there really quickly on the phone. It's got 38,000 mile from new, guys. Oh, that's absolutely crazy. And then just a little sticker here that just shows you that the oil was changed there with Motul 300V 1040, and that was done at 58,000 kilometers. All right, and here as well then, both seats, and then the back as well. Something I actually got really excited about. I'm going to sound like a real nerd here. Upgrading the headlights on these because you can put the RAYBRIG lenses in, and then you can put in like the really nice LED bulbs as well. Have a look. This like just really freshens up the whole front of the car. Let me show you what it looks like when they're turned on. Deadly. So these are the new LED type. I don't really go for HIDs anymore. These LED ones you can get are class. You can hear the little fans there buzzing away. Under the bonnet, not a whole lot going on, guys, just nice and clean. Front mount intercooler, GReddy radiator, HKS intake, and your nice straight head black top SR20 DT. Strut towers, all nice and clean, guys. Get a good look there, all good. Quick look underneath. Just starting from the back, passenger side rear pocket, driver side rear pocket, passenger side sill at the rear. Okay, just moving up to the front. Okay, driver's side. Moving up to the front. Okay, amazing condition for 30 years old. You've even got the little plastic covers there still on the bottom arms. No leaks or anything around the gearbox. Or at the bottom of the engine. Just really hard to believe sometimes these cars are 30 years old. Be nice to get this all under sealed, but then again it's nice to let you see what it's originally like before doing that. So that's it guys, hope you like our 180sx and enjoyed the video. Amazing car all round, can't say that enough. Best of luck to everybody that's entered, see you at the draw. Thanks.